First thing I will do is open an Excel file. This is my Excel file already analysis. This data take from annual report 2014 and 2018. My company is PDTech Holdings Berhad. It's logistic company in Malaysia. This data must import to SPSS system. The original data is here. So we already clean it negative sign, so become this. So this data import to SPSS system. First file, open data. My file name is this one. Double check is correct or not. Yeah, correct. So okay. First thing I will do is round off the decimal place. Become 4. This one will be 1. So we can years and company. Data will be like this and can start analyze it. Regression, linear. In my case, I will choose average correction period as dependent because my company facing credit risk. So either we put independent column. But the debt to income, remove it because same credit risk. Then statistic, confidence interval, descriptive correlation, wrong. Histogram and normal probability. I use enter methods, okay. From this table, we can see all the variable means and standard deviation. From this table, this column, we can see whether the relationship between dependent and independent variable. From our data, we can see that ROA, ROE, GDP, inflation rate, exchange rate, STVV is negative correlation with dependent variable, meaning that might decrease the independent variable will resolve the credit risk of the company. From this column, we can see that whether the independent variable is significant or not to dependent variable. In our case, only operational ratio, operating margin, 2 has significant to dependent variable because less than 0.1. Next step we'll do is analyze the internal factors to credit risk. So we do linear. In here column we put internal factors only. Okay. But our problem is adjusted R squared is not number appear, so we look at VIF. The highest ones must remove it. In our case is operational ratio is highest, so we delete it. Operation ratio. Okay. Same problem again, so do the same things. The highest one is ROA, so remove the ROA. Finally, the number was appeared. So it's okay. Next step is look at the ANOVA table. From this table, we can see this model whether it's significant or not to dependent variable. In our case, it's significant because less than 0.1 is 2 star because less than 0.05. So we can use, so it's more suitable predictor. From this, we can see that these three internal factors are significant to dependent variable, meaning that it influence. From this, we can see that ROE and current ratio is negative correlation with dependent variable, meaning that might decrease the ROE and current ratio will increase the profit of the company, will solve the credit risk of the company. So the next step is external factors to dependent variable. So this column is left external factor only. So put GDP until STDV. Use entered methods, so okay. Same things, not number appear, so look at VIF. The highest one is exchange rate, so remove the exchange rate. Same thing, so remove the inflation rate. Finally, the number was appear. From this, we can see that it's not significant because more than 0.1. From this table, we can see these three external factors are not significant. But from this table, we can see GDP and interest rate is positive side, meaning that might increase the GDP and interest rate will solve the credit risk of the company. This is a graph and plot. Next step we'll do is internal and external factors to credit risk. Use same enter methods, okay. From this also not number appears, so look at the VIF, the high ones must remove it. Is operating margin, so remove the operating margin. Same, so keep removing. The high one is operational ratio, so remove. Same, so keep remove. The higher one is STDV, so remove STDV. Same thing, so removing again ROA. ROE. Same thing, so keep remove GDP. Same thing, so keep remove. High one is inflation rate, so remove the inflation rate. Finally, have number to appear. So from this table, we can see this model is not significant to dependent variable. From this, we can saw all three factors are not significant to dependent variable. But from this column, we can see that the interest rate and exchange rate is for negative relationship with two dependent variable, meaning that might decrease the interest rate and exchange rate will increase the profit of the company to solve the credit risk problem. This is table, this is a graph, and this is a block. So that's all is my SPSS system analyze.